We guide you through how to delay deliver of emails in Microsoft Outlook in simple and quick way so you can control exactly when your messages are sent. So first thing you need to do is to open Outlook and click new email to compose your message as usual. Then, before clicking send, go to the options tab and tap off the message window and select delay delivery. In the properties box that appears, look for the delivery options section and check the box that says do not deliver before. Then, choose the date and time you want the email to be sent. Once that's set, click close, finish writing your email, and hit send. The email will now stay safely in your outbox and automatically send at the scheduled time as long as Outlook is open and connected to the internet. This feature is perfect for scheduling follow ups, sending emails during work hours, or avoiding late night messages. And that's how you easily delay email delivery in Microsoft Outlook.